looking so wavy.
I've been woofing for a long time. Like, I'm done with this wolf, okay? I've been losing battles, you know what I'm saying, because of this wolf. Things haven't been going my way because of this wolf. You know what I'm saying? I haven't cut my hair in a long time. I haven't cut my hair since Matt cut my hair.
Where you get your beats?
Alright, he cut it down. From then, I just kept growing it out, kept getting lineup and tapers, alright? That's all I was getting. But today, it's time to cut it down, alright? And when let me say something, alright? You guys might not know what battling is, okay? You guys might not know battling. What's that?
Are you not entertained?
Listen, it goes down in the wave game. I hope y'all know it goes down in the wave game. There's a whole Facebook page, okay, dedicated to battling, to tips, to being on different banners, battling. The links will be in the description to where you could go and join those groups and be a part of the wave community, man. It's also on Instagram if you're up with it. You know what I mean? You'll see me go live, do battles on Sundays and stuff like that. But I've been taking L's, bro. I've been taking L's, all right? And I blame it on this wolf. I done lost in the gauntlet, and it's because of this wolf. I already know it's because of this wolf. But you guys, the links will be in the description to where you could go, join these Facebook groups, get your waves up, get tips, and all of that, all right? Let's go cut this wolf off.
Where you get your beats?
All right, you guys, I'm about to cut my hair to a 2.5. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm looking good. Nice and tapered. Looking all nice and cut down. Everything is looking good. I'm about to go home and get a brush session in for about a whole hour. I'm about to time lapse it. Alright, let's go.
Where you get your beats?
YouTube, listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up. I'm done with my hour session right now, but this is what I want y'all to do. Listen, there's a podcast going on. It's called What We Doing. This is what we doing right now, all right? This is Banks right here. This is Banks. This is my man Banks right here. Maisha. You got Nate. Hashtag I hate Nate. You got Drip right here. I'm on here. This is what we do. We just talk about what goes on in the Wave game. Listen, in the description below will be the link to what we doing. Make sure you hit that link in the description below. Make sure you guys follow.
Pull up and tap in. Aye, aye, aye.
Now, after me brushing for an hour, this is what my waves is looking like. I feel like with this wolf, I gained a lot of progress, especially with my flow. But as far as the forks, I'm gonna have to keep putting in that work, brushing these things out. Yeah, man, I'm trying to be flawless by the end of this, man. I'm really trying to make my waves be the best that it can. But before I get out of here, you guys, make sure you go to www.360gz.com. Okay, pick up your V1 brush. Pick up your brush there, still in stock. The mediums, like I said, the medium hard is still on the way. The medium and the hard brush is on the water, okay? So it's coming, all right? I'm not gonna give y'all a full date on when it's gonna come out because I don't wanna be wrong, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff that I gotta deal with customs and getting it shipped over to the factory and all of that stuff. So I'ma just, you know what I mean, be patient, and I hope you guys can be patient as well. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.